So good day everyone. So we are the group 1 and today we'll be presenting maintenance start of emergency generator. So along with me is my group mates, Mr. Joseph Dionaldo, Mr. Hadley Bathan, Mr. Joash Baritua, Mr. John Marc Arellano, Mr. John Haniel Bugais, and yours truly, Mr. Camillo Adrian Mhar. So to start with, let me share my screen first. So okay. So before we start our simulator, we need to press F1. Okay, so now our simulator is running. So before we start, we have 15 minutes. We have two panel here, the instructors panel, which we can access all the system in the simulator, and the other one is the students panel here, where we can only access a limited system in our Kongsberg simulator. Okay, so let's go to let's go here in our students panel, our emergency switchboard. So need to put this in, the main battery charger and the start battery charger in. Then let's go to emergency generator here, so we can see a lot of low level alarms here. So we need to fill these low level alarms for about 60 to 70%. Okay, let's start this one to fill our tank, this one, and let's start our hand pump because we will wait for at least a minute to reach to 200 bars. So you can see our level here rising. So let's stop this for about 70. Okay, you can stop that one. Our level here for about 60 to 70%. Okay, and here you can stop this one. So here we'll start our generator with, if we can have a 200, at least 200 bars pressure, you can start our you can press start here. So for about 200 plus bars, so we can start. Okay, so we can now start. Let's press start. So you can see our emergency generator running. So let's go to our instructors panel here, where we can access all the system. So we can see here there is a malfunction, the EG starter motor failure. So we will rectify this malfunction in our students panel. Okay, let's go back here. So it was EG starter motor failure, so let's rectify this at our students panel. EG starter motor failure, so we need to reset this one, and you can see that there is a reset active malfunction. So by that we already rectified our malfunction. Okay, so we already rectified it. So let's go back to our emergency switchboard. So you can see here that we have a low voltage here. Then we will need to have manipulate this one, because our time will not be enough to enable to reach this to like 24 voltage. So we go to the instructors panel to manipulate this one. Okay, so you can see here, we will set this to 23. Okay,
we have achieved the normal voltage here. Let's go back to our students panel. So let's go to emergency generator. So we can stop our engine control here. Press. So after that, you rectify our alarms. Okay, you can see alarms here. Breach control loss of response. So you need to go to the instructors panel. The here our bridge control, and you just need to reset this one to remove the alarm. Okay, so after that, there's still an alarm here left. TG auto control. Okay, so let's go to the generator control and deselect this diesel generators in auto. Okay, deselect. Okay, so as you can see, we have rectified the alarms. So let's go back to our students panel and our emergency generator here. So as you can see, our system is good and running. So we'll just wait until our voltage here in our start battery will reach to 24 volts. Then we can start our we can start our emergency generator in battery right here. So we'll just wait until it reaches 24 volts. Okay, let's check. In we have an adequate amount there of voltage. Okay. So we'll just wait a little bit until our start battery voltage will reach to 24 volts. Then we can start our engine control here. So a while ago we have manipulated this one here because it will really take a long time before it reaches the adequate amount of voltage, and they will not be able to meet it with 15 minutes. So we manipulated it. So now we have 24 volts right here. Then we can now start our engine control. Start. So you can see it's running. Now let's go to electric power plant, and we will on this voltage control here. On. So as you can see, our voltage here is rising, and it will stay until it's and maintain a voltage here. Okay, and after that we can press the auto here in the engine control. Auto. Okay. Then after this, we'll just wait for the remaining time to end. So let's go back to our emergency generator. Okay. So we'll spend the time watch keeping. Okay. Our engine turned off. So let's try putting it on manual. Then start. So we still have 5 minutes left to end our simulation. So we are here at the students panel, and this is the instructors panel. Okay. So we'll just spend the remaining 4 minutes watch keeping our system. Okay, so we've on the voltage control. There's no alarms. So let's just wait for 15 minutes.
15 minutes consumed. Stop assessment.
Okay, so we have fully consumed our 15 minutes. Now let's press F3 then to end our simulator. And hopefully we'll get a passing grade. Okay, so we have scored 99.60%. So that's it for the maintenance start of emergency generators.